Hello, investors. Recently, we have seen major capital investments in battery manufacturing and semiconductors. As the demand for these critical technologies grow, specialty chemical companies have a unique opportunity to capitalize on this demand. Today, we'll explore one such company showing early signs of success in this booming market, which is AMI Organics. And before we dive in, a quick disclaimer: I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. Any stocks mentioned are purely for business analysis and not buy or sell recommendations. Please consult your financial advisor before making any financial decisions. In the ever evolving landscape of chemical manufacturing, AMI Organics is taking a bold step forward. Known for their expertise in pharmaceutical intermediates and specialty chemicals, this innovative company is now making waves in the field of battery chemicals and semiconductor chemicals. So, how is AMI Organics contributing to the supply chain of battery chemicals? So, to understand this, we need to look at the crucial role of electrolyte additives in batteries. So, electrolyte additives are like these tiny helpers in a battery. They initiate the creation of solid electrolyte interface, an essential yet invisible shield on the anode's surface. During the initial charging cycles, these carefully selected additives break down and form a protective, conductive, and resilient uh, solid interface layer. And this layer boosts the battery efficiency, extends its lifespan, and enhances safety by preventing dangerous dendrites that could cause short circuits. And also, it helps in preventing the degradation of the battery as well. So, we have a scenario where, for example, in a lead acid battery, the anode and cathode might have a short circuit with the formation of dendrites. But in your lithium ion batteries, that scenario is not there. That is because of the solid electrolyte interface. Currently, the entire supply of electrolyte additives is controlled by Chinese companies. However, AMI Organics is breaking new ground as the first company outside China to produce and commercialize these critical additives. And with the passing of the Inflation Reduction Act in the US, there are now restrictions on importing these vital chemicals from China. AMI Organic stands to benefit significantly from this shift, especially with the increase in domestic as well as international demand for electrolyte additives. AMI Organics has commenced commercial production of key additives like vanillin carbonate and fluoroethylene carbonate. Most of your lithium ion batteries will have these two as the key electrolyte additives. And they have a pipeline of more than seven more additives. According to the recent conference call transcripts, AMI Organics is also in talks with global manufacturers to, to produce electrolytes on a contract development and manufacturing basis. The global electrolyte additive market stood at $1.6 billion in 2023 and is projected to grow at a 12.5% CAGR to 3.4 billion by 2020. That's a massive growth. Now, let us explore the semiconductor opportunity, which is rapidly growing in India. So, recently we have again seen major announcement from companies like Micron, Tata Electronics, Murugappa Group, and Keynes Technologies to set up chip manufacturing units in India. And this opens up vast opportunities for photoresist chemicals. So, what are these photoresists? So, photoresists are crucial in the semiconductor industry, serving as light sensitive materials used in the process known as photolithography, which is used to create intricate circuits on semiconductor wafers. Their use is fundamental in achieving the miniaturization and high performance of today's semiconductor components. Through the acquisition of Baba Fine Chem, Ami Organics has entered the semiconductor chemicals domain as well. This is a field with high entry barriers, and the global demand for photoresist chemicals stood at $2.3 billion for the year 2023 and is poised to grow to 3.2 billion by the year 2028. Now let us move to the valuation part of AMI Organics. At the current market price, the price to equity ratio of AMI Organics stands at 76, which is very high in conventional terms. But for a company investing hugely on capex, price to sales would be the apt ratio to ponder upon, and it currently stands at 6.2. And even the debt situation at AMI Organics is at manageable levels with debt to equity ratio well below 1. In our next video, we'll dive into another sector where we are witnessing massive tailwinds. We will try to explore about the businesses which stand to benefit most out of the tailwinds currently in this sector. So, what are you waiting for? Electrify your portfolio, seize the opportunity, and get ready to witness the power of investing in tailwinds firsthand. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like, and let's make some serious money together. I'll see you in the next video where we'll uncover the hidden gems in the world of investing. Stay tuned, stay curious, and stay winning.